Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. Mention the processes the food that undergoes in buccal cavity. So your question, it is related from the digestive system. Then we shortly discuss about the digestive system. So first of all, what is the buccal cavity? Buccal cavity, it is the part of the digestive system. So our key concept, it is the buccal cavity. Now in that this buccal cavity, it is the part of digestive system. The digestive system has the two parts. The first part of the digestive system, it is alimentary canal, and the second part of digestive system, it is the associated digestive glands. Okay, there are the two part of the digestive system. First is the alimentary canal, and the second part, it is the digestive glands. Now the alimentary canal. This alimentary canal, it consists of, first it consists of the mouth, then buccal cavity, then pharynx, then oesophagus, then stomach, small and large intestine, then anus. And what are the digestive glands? These are the salivary glands, then liver, pancreas, salivary glands, liver, pancreas. Okay. So now your question is that which processes the food undergo in the buccal cavity. This buccal cavity, it consists of tongue, teeth, and then salivary glands. This buccal cavity, it consists of first is the tongue, then teeth, and salivary glands. Okay, these are present in buccal cavity. First, shortly we discuss about the tongue. Now the tongue, it is the muscular organs. Okay, and its shape, it is the triangular in shape. Then the upper surface of this tongue, it bears the numerous projection which is called the papillae. This tongue, it consists of the numerous projection which is called the papillae. Now these papillae, they contain the sensory receptor which is called as the taste bud. Okay, and this papillae, it consists of the receptor which is called as the, these are called as the taste bud. Okay. Now the tongue, it is used to mix the saliva with the food. What is the function of tongue? It mix saliva with food. Okay. Then what next part of this buccal cavity? It is the teeth. These teeth, There are the total 32 teeth in the buccal cavity of adult human being, and these teeth, the main function of these teeth is that the chewing. Okay, they broke down the food into the small parts. Chewing and break down food in small part. Okay, in small parts. Then the next is that the process occur in the buccal cavity. Process occur in the buccal cavity. Process occur in buccal cavity. Now the food, it is broken down into the small particle by mechanical activities, which is called the mastication, chewing gum, chewing. Okay, the food, it is broken down into the small particle by the teeth, and the process, it is called the mastication. Now during this process, the tongue, it mixes the food with the saliva. We already discussed that, and that saliva, it is secreted by the salivary gland. The saliva, it is the watery, and it converts the food into the paste. Okay, the saliva, it is watery, convert food into paste, convert food into paste. And the enzymes salivary amylase or tannins present in the saliva act on the starch, so it convert into the maltose. So what's process occur in the buccal cavity? The salivary enzymes, which is called the salivary amylase. Okay, this break down the starch. Starch, it is the carbohydrate molecules. This is the polysaccharides, and that starch, it is broken down into the small sugar or the simple sugar, that is the maltose. Okay, salivary amylase. And other name of this enzyme, it is the tallinn. Tallins. Okay, this is the maltose, it is the small sugar disaccharide, and starch, it is the polysaccharide sugar. Now this process, it is occur in the buccal cavity, that is the complex carbohydrate, it is broken down into the simple one. Okay, so I hope you will clearly understood it. Thank you and best.